So now next students we will discuss about the cannabinoids drug. So these drugs that are obtained from the cannabis sativa plant, and where they bind in the body, they bind with the cannabinoid receptors that are present in the brain. And the method of intake is inhalation and through oral ingestion. Inhalation through nose, and orally also it can be ingested through mouth. Now what are the effects of these drugs over the body? That they show their effect over the cardiovascular system. What is cardiovascular system? Yes, circulatory system. Now from these cannabinoids, some more type of drugs that are also produced, like marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja. How? That when the flower tops, the top portion of the flower, leaves, and the resin of cannabis plant, okay, when these portions of the cannabis plant that are used in various combinations, means the different combinations with the, when these are used in different combinations, then they are responsible for producing the marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja drugs also. Okay, so these, all these drugs that are also obtained from the cannabis sativa plant. Now next we will discuss about the coca alkaloid, or it is also known as cocaine and coke or crack. So these are the names. If suppose any of these names it will come, then you have to write the same description or same explanation. Now let's discuss about this. It is obtained from the coca plant, so that's why the name of this drug is also coca alkaloid. And the scientific name of the coca plant is Erythroxylum coca. The method of intake is snorting. What is snorting? Yes, it's nasal inhalation, means through the nose. And what is the effect of this coca alkaloid? That it interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. Okay, it interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter. What are neurotransmitters? Yes, neurotransmitters, they have an important role in the nervous system. So they interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. So that's why they show their effect on the nervous system. These drugs that are used by the sport persons for increasing, for the feeling of excitement or the energy, for increasing the energy level, and these are also taken by some persons for a sense of euphoria. Euphoria means that intense excitement will be there and happiness it gives, and it increases the energy level. But excessive dosage, as I told you, that it affects the nervous system, and because of the excessive dosage it also causes the hallucinations. Now what are hallucinations? These are the conditions, means which appeared in our mind, which doesn't happen to us. ठीक है, वो चीज़ें सामने आती है जो कि नहीं होती हैं उस पर्सन के साथ, तो उसे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे साथ ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं.